Hi guys, it's me Hiba and welcome back to my channel. But before we start this video, make sure to click that subscribe button on my channel and hit the bell notification to be the first to watch every single one of my videos. So today, I'm going to be doing something really cool because it's the long weekend, okay? And I want to do something like a craft and I'm with someone else. So, and here she is. And we are going to be making a forest, right?
Yeah.
Are we gonna
With animals.
Yeah, are we going to be making a real forest?
No.
We're just going to be making a craft. So, let's get the supplies. First, we got these artificial plants here. And then, I'm going to want to open the next thing. Yeah. Okay, so we got some more supplies, and Amal just come up, and we got some pencil, crayons, and got some Play-Doh, and you'll see why. Amal, why don't you bring the next thing?
Some more.
So we got some markers, and the last two items right here are some animals that we're going to be using. So this explains why we need the Play-Doh to stick them on this. So this is the box that we're going to be using, and we're just going to get started a little bit, and we'll see you guys. I'm just coloring the sun here.
And I'm gonna make some plants and trees. So I'm making grass now.
Oh, that's cool. So we're just coloring the grass now.
So I'm making the sky up.
Whoa, don't color the sun though.
Oopsies, I haven't.
I'm doing something here with the Play-Doh. I'm making clouds.
Clouds?
So we're just sticking some clouds onto the sky color. That's what we need.
Hello.
And we're gonna start our animals. So there, I just made a little pond for the hippos because hippos like water.
And I like water. Humans are called animal too.
You told me. Fun fact about lions. Lions are called king. I just searched it up. Lions are called king of the jungle, but actually, they don't live in the jungle. So, let's just show it. So here we have a giraffe eating some leaves off a tree, a zebra just walking peacefully, and a lion sitting down. So I'm just adding the finishing touches to our forest. So I'll just add some plants there, and we'll add a few plants more too, and we'll just show you what our forest would look like. You gonna put a plant there now?
Yeah.
It's okay. We'll take this animal out for now.
Then I will get this Play-Doh out.
Okay, so we added the finishing touches, we did a few stuff to organize it, and we are ready to go, but I need Amal with me. So Amal! There she is. Let's show our forest. And our forest is right over here. So I'll just explain a little bit. This is the sun, there's like some trees, and there's some clouds if we use Play-Doh because it would be hard to make the clouds. This is bumpy. It's like kind of bumpy. And then we made a zebra there, a hippo in the water, a lion, and a giraffe.
Eating plants?
Yeah. And we have just another tree right there. And I think our habitat, it's a habitat, right? I think our forest is done. Do you think it's complete, Amal?
Yeah.
So I think me and Amal are gonna end this video right here. So make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye!